Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious burgers from ground beef. First, let's talk about selecting the right meat. For the juiciest and most flavorful burgers, choose ground beef with an 80-20 lean-to-fat ratio. This balance ensures your burgers stay moist and tender. Remember, fresh, high-quality beef makes all the difference. Next, let's form those perfect patties. Gently divide your ground beef into equal portions. Form each portion into a patty about 3/4 inch thick, making them slightly wider than your burger buns. This accounts for shrinkage during cooking. Don't forget to press a small indentation in the center of each patty to prevent them from bulging. Now for the seasoning and cooking. Season your patties generously with salt and freshly ground black pepper just before they hit the heat. Cook your burgers on a hot grill or in a skillet for about 4 to 5 minutes per side for a medium rare to medium doneness. Remember, flip them only once to achieve that beautiful, flavorful crust. Finally, the crucial step of resting and serving. Once cooked, let your burgers rest for about 5 minutes. This allows the juices to redistribute, ensuring a more tender and flavorful bite. While they rest, toast your burger buns. Then, assemble your delicious burgers with your favorite toppings and condiments. Enjoy your homemade masterpiece.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.